everyone, God bless you all. Today's video, I'm going to help you play the song Open the Eyes of My Heart. Okay? Open the eyes, open the eyes of my heart, Lord. So, open the eyes. So, this is the title of the song, Open the Eyes. So, this is a Christian song. So, let's start. I hope you learn this. Okay? So, it sounds like this. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. So that's the verse 1. So the intro of this song is just like that. Same chords with the verse 1. So intro. Chords of this song is C, na 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 na, and then E minor, na 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 na, na 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 na, and then F. If you don't, if having a hard time doing that F, this F. So just transfer this index finger here. So it's an F also. Tapos I want to see the top. And then back to C. Balik po sa C. Okay? Ulitin ko po yung chords. C po. Tapos E minor. Tapos F. Tapos C. Okay? Tapos strumming pattern niya. Up, down, up, down, up, down. But, isabay niyo po sa beat ng kanta. Ganito po. Oh, up and down lang po yung strumming niyan. Ganyan lang po. Pero, isabay niyo po sa beat ng kanta, sa tempo ng kanta. Alam niyo naman yung kanta, di ba? Ganito po. Na na na, intro. Na na na, E minor. Na 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 na, na 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 na, F na. Na 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 na, back to C. Okay? Again. Intro. Na 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 na, E minor. Na 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 na, na 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 na. F, back to C, na, 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 na. And then chorus, G. To see you high and lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, holy, holy. Okay, yung chorus po niya, ganito po. To see you high and lifted up, G. Lifted up, E minor. Then F, shining in the light of your glory. Tapos balik sa G. Pour out your power and love, A minor, as we sing, holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. Holy, holy, holy. I want to see you. So yun lang po yung buong kanta. Kantahin natin. Tapos tingnan nyo pong chords dito. Tapos yung strumming pattern natin, up, down, up, down, up, down. Tapos sabay nyo po sa beat ng kanta. Okay? Let's start. Intro tayo. Okay, again. Okay, verse 1. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Open the eyes. Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. G, to see you high and lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love as we sing, holy, holy, holy. See you high and lifted up, shining in the light of your glory. Pour out your power and love nahirapan po kayo sa F na bar, yung index finger lipat niya po lang dito sa dito sa first string at second string. Yan, F din po yan, okay? Pero mas maganda pa rin yung bar, okay? So, yan po yung kantang Open the Eyes sa Christian song. God bless everyone. Keep safe. And if you like this video, again, click subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then comment, suggest a song. God bless you.